Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be making a smoothie. I'll be making a berry acai smoothie, which is fabulous. If you love acai, this is for you. If you love berries, this is for you. We're gonna mix it all together. I'll show you how to create a healthier version. We're not gonna add any sugar. There's enough sugar in the fruits. So if you want to see how I create the smoothie, then please keep watching. Okay, so here are my ingredients for my smoothie containing acai and berries. So we will need 1 banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt. In this case, I'm using the Fage, I think that's what it's called, 0%. 1 cup of honey, which I'm using the unfiltered from Costco. Organic super smoothie, which is great. It's also from Costco. It's got blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, kale, spinach, bananas. This is really like the whole thing. And then organic acai packs. This is also from Costco. It's amazing. So I am going to create it. And my dog is drinking water in the background. So it says to add half a cup, but I'm going to add the whole container because there's literally like half of what's left over here. So I'm just going to dump everything inside. I actually said 1 cup of honey, but I actually meant 1 tablespoon of honey. I don't know how I mixed those up, but that's what I meant. So 1 tablespoon of the honey. And then what's left to do is just cover it up, and then we're going to blend it beautifully. That's a very cool consistency, you see? It's very like an acai bowl consistency. I'll open it, I'll give it a small mix, and we'll mix it again. To the bowl. Okay, it's a little watery. So I'm going to add it to the freezer just so it can thicken up, and then meanwhile, while it's freezing, I am going to prepare my add-ons and toppings. Okay, so I cut up some fruit that I want to add. So I have banana. I sliced banana. Be adding it here. And then I have some raspberries. strawberries. And then you can just decorate it with mint, which kind of looks a little sad, but I guess. And we have our acai bowl. Yay! It's time to try it out. Let's see how it came out. This is massive. Okay. Where do I start? Oh my god. Okay,